Namaste children, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing good. Today in this session number 5, we are going to continue the problems from worksheet number 2 and also learn how to express a given rational number in the standard form and some examples. Children, let us start with the question number 6. Express 90 by 216 as a rational number with the numerator 5. Let me write the given rational number, that is 90 by 216. Here 90 is the numerator and 216 is the denominator. Children, with what number you divide by 90, you get 5 in the numerator. To find out, let us divide 90 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, so 5 eights are 40. The quotient you get is 18. So 90 divided by 18, you get the answer as 5. So I divide in the numerator by 18. So according to the property, when you divide any integer in the numerator, you have to divide the same integer in the denominator. Again you find out what is 216 by 18. 216 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18. 21 minus 18 is 3. Take 6 down. 18 twos are 36. So the quotient is 12. You have to write 12 in the denominator. This is the required rational number. Then you have question number 7. Express minus 64 by 256 as a rational number with the denominator 8. Children, you have to look at the denominator here. With what number you divide in the denominator, you get the answer as 8. To find out, let us divide 256 by 8. 8 threes are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. Next number is 6. 8 twos are 16. Therefore, with the 32, if you divide 256, you get the 8 in the denominator. When I divide 32 in the denominator, I have to divide the same number in the numerator. Minus 64 by 32. Minus and plus, if you divide, you get minus in the answer. 64 by 32 is 2. So the required rational number is minus 2 by 8. Children, next is question number 8. Find equivalent forms of the rational numbers having a common denominator in each of the following collections of rational numbers. Children, these type of questions we have already learnt in the earlier classes. Here we have to find the rational numbers having a common denominator. Here we have two rational numbers, children, 2 by 5 and 6 by 13. In the each denominator, you can see that they are having different denominators. So to make them common denominators, we have to find the LCM for 5 and 13. Children, we know how to find the LCM. Here I take 5 and I divide this prime number 5 with the given numbers. 5 ones are 5, 13 as it is. Again I take 13 is the prime number. 13 ones are 13. Till I get 1 in the last step, I go on divide with the prime numbers. Here the LCM is 13 5s are 65. We got the LCM 65. Now take the first rational number, children, that is 2 by 5. Here 2 by 5 I am going to multiply with the LCM. When I multiply with the LCM, I get 5 ones are 5, 13s are 13 twos are 26. Here in the numerator of the first rational number, we have 26. 26 divided by 65. Next rational number is 6 by 13. 13 into LCM. 13 ones are 13 5s are. 6 5s are 30. Therefore, the required rational numbers having common denominators are 26 by 65 and 30 by 65 are the required rational numbers which are having common denominators. Children, next you have is 1 by 7, 2 by 8, 3 by 14. Here you observe all the denominators are different. To make them common, we have to take the LCM for 7, 8 and 14. Here I will divide the three numbers by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 is less than 8, which is not the multiple of 7. Therefore, I keep 8 as it is. 7 twos are 14. Then 8 and 2, the common factor is 2. 1 I keep it as it is. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. Then we have 2. 2 twos are 4. 1 as it is. Then again divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. Till you get 1, you go on divide by the prime numbers. 7 twos are 14. 14 twos are 28. 28 twos are 56, children. Therefore, LCM is 56. Children, now take the first rational number 1 by 7 and multiply with the LCM. So, 7 ones are 7. 7 eights are 56. 8 ones are 8. Then take the second rational number 2 by 8, multiply with the LCM. 8 ones are 8 sevens are 7 twos are 14. The third rational number is 3 by 14, multiply with the LCM. 14 ones are 14 fours are 3 fours are 12. Now the required rational numbers which are having the common denominators are 8 by 56 is the first rational number. Second rational number is 14 by 56. The third rational number is 12 by 56. These are the three rational numbers having common denominators for the given rational numbers. The next is third question under 8 main. 5 by 12, 7 by 4, 9 by 60, 11 by 3. Here the first step to make the denominators common is finding the LCM for 12, 4, 60 and 3. Children, let us divide with the common divisor, that is 3. 3 fours are 12, 4 as it is, 3 twos are 6, 1 0 as it is. So 3 20s are 60. Then we have 3 ones are 3. Here the next common factor is 2. 2 twos are 4, comma 2 twos are 4 again, 2 tens are 20, 1 as it is. Let us divide with the common factor 2 again. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 1 as it is. The last prime factor is 5, 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. Then we have the LCM is equal to 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 fives are 60. LCM is 60. Now let us take the first rational number, that is 5 by 12 into the LCM, which is 60. 12 ones are 12, 5s are 60, 5 5s are 25. Then we have the second rational number is 7 by 4 into the LCM 60. 4 ones are 4, 15s are 15 sevens are 105. Then we have the third rational number, that is 9 by 60 into the LCM again, which is 60. 60 ones are 60 ones are 9 ones are 9. Then we have got the fourth rational number, that is 11 by 3 into the LCM 60. 3 ones are 3, 20s are 60. 20 into 11. So first let us multiply 11 twos are 22, 1 0 as it is. So the required rational numbers which are equivalent to the given rational numbers are 25 by 60, 105 by 60, 9 by 60, 220 by 60. Children, in this way, we have completed worksheet number 2. Children, next let us discuss about the standard form of a rational number. Question is it in the standard form? So, children, we say that 16 by minus 24 is not in the standard form. So, to convert it into the standard form, we have got two steps. The first step is you have to convert the denominator into positive by multiplying the numerator and denominator by minus 1. So what I do in the first step, children, I take 16 by minus 24 as it is. To make the denominator positive, I have to multiply by minus 1. When I multiply the integer in the minus 1 in the denominator, I have to multiply the same integer in the numerator according to the properties of rational numbers. After multiplying minus 1, we get plus into minus is minus 16 as it is. Then minus into minus is plus, and 24 ones are 24. So in the step 1, what we have done, children, we have converted the denominator which is having negative sign to positive. Then in the second step, what we do in the second step is we find the HCF of 16 and 24. What is the common factor for 16 and 24, children? Which is 8. Because 8 is the highest common factor for 16 and 24. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. In this case, what we do is we divide numerator and denominator by 8. Let us see how. I take the given or the converted rational number minus 16 by 24 and divide numerator with 8 and also denominator with 8, which is the HCF, highest common factor, and what we get in the answer is minus 8 2s are 16 in the numerator, 8 3s are 24. We are going to cancel minus 16 by 24 with the common divisor 8. So that we get minus 2 by 3, which is in the simplest form. So these are the two steps to convert any given rational number into standard form. So minus 2 by 3 is the standard form for 16 by minus 24. So the first step what we do is if any rational number is having minus sign in the denominator, first we should convert it into positive by multiplying minus 1 in the numerator and the denominator. Then in the second step we have to divide with the HCF, highest common factor, for the numerator and denominator and divide it so that we get the rational number in the simplest form. Therefore, children, when do we say that a rational number is in the standard form? If Q is positive. A rational number P by Q is said to be in the standard form if Q is positive and the integers P and Q are having the highest common factor as 1. Children, to understand more about the standard form of the rational number, here I have taken one more example, that is minus 22 by minus 55. Here you can observe the denominator is having negative sign and 22 by 55 is not in its simplest form. So the first step what I do is I take the given rational number minus 22 by minus 55 and I multiply with minus 1 in the denominator so that I make positive minus 55. Again I multiply minus 1 in the numerator. Then minus into minus is plus, 22 ones are 22. Minus into minus is plus again, 55 ones are 55. So in the first step what I have done, I have converted the denominator minus 55 into plus 55. In the second step, here 22 by 55, I divide 22 by 55 with the HCF. The number which is common for both 22 and 55 is 11. 11 how many times is 22 children? 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55. In this way, we have converted minus 22 by minus 55 in its simplest form in the second step. Children, in this way, we have finished worksheet number 2, 6th, 7th and 8th main, and also we have discussed about the standard form of a rational number with some examples. Hope you have understood well in this session, children. Thank you, children.